Do you want to know how to create this? Or this? Or this? Well, keep watching. So it's that time of the year again. 5-Day Deal is collaborating with all the biggest filmmaking content creators, and they're all sending in their best products, which is going to make up a huge pack of awesome filmmaking content, and it's currently valued over $2,000, but they're applying a 95% discount on it. So you can grab this insane deal for just $89. It's really worth it. The links will be in the description, and we have also collaborated with them by sending in our best products, such as the Action Pack, the Magic Pack, the Fire Pack, a ton of cool stuff. So go and check it out. All the links will be in the description. Alright, so here we are on a video creators bundle, and it's pretty sick. We can see here all the products that are included, and they're currently valued at $2,000 plus, and they're 95% discounted. That's really insane. This only happens once a year, and every year the products are completely different. So this is a kind of once in a lifetime opportunity. So this is $89 that you can get the main bundle for, and we are having collaborations by all these famous people like Cinecom right here, Ignace, Matthew, he's a friend of mine, he's doing time lapses. Then we have ourselves right here. We have Tryon Films, which is Filmriot. We have Shane Hurlbut's Academy, where he's teaching everything about cinematics. And we have Fulltimefilmmaker, F-Stoppers, and of course all these other people. They're sending in all their projects, and we can see here what is included. So we have the blood splatters, action fires, magic shockwaves, and our explosions right here. And then we have all this other content for color grading, for edit and pacing. So these courses are also teaching you a ton of stuff. We have mastering video for real estate, but we also have hand-painted elements that you can use in your videos. So it's a very diverse pack that you can use in any kind of situation. We also have music scores, lit collections, stuff like that. So definitely go to the link in the description, see for yourself what's included. I mean, if you're a true filmmaker, I cannot understand how you cannot get excited about this. So yeah, that's basically it. What I do want to add as well is that 10% of the value of the already discounted price is still going to charity. So that's a really nice initiative. It's going to Children International, Build Africa, Mercy Corps, Action Against Hunger, and Rise Against Hunger, Compassion, and also Make a Wish. So if you buy from 5-Day Deal, you're also becoming a difference maker. So that's a pretty solid deal. All the links are in the description, as I said, and I'll see you in the next one. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a like and also subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell to stay notified when I upload new videos. And also, be sure to check out my other videos. I have one specially made for you, and I think you're going to enjoy it. Until next time, create epic videos.